Hi people, happy Sunday everyone. Good evening everyone. Oh. Good evening people. Some Good evening. Essa não foi uma decisão. Share this video, guys. Good evening. Wadogo me gogo, same mo me o. Imade no amo, Favor one. I greet you, my paddy sister. Can I take my phone? Yes, la la la. Some when Osama kwe Dun. Hey, my bakery. Do. Akaba. Good evening, people. Say with us, ma. So go down, so go down, who will he? So go down. Sexy dance, baby. Yes, so people. Now we have a total of floor. Eh? I don't know to know my baby. Yeah, so okay. I'm so good down. I'm so good down. Ooh, working. I'm so good down. Eh? Hi people, happy Sunday everyone. How you all doing? Good evening people. Say me about it. Now not say oh dear 24 bits. Now not say advertise this like you hot on, thank you. I know say I advertise this cloth the other day. Now only this one remain. I only have one left. That's how they shine. Now stones. The stone only common to everlasting stones. I only have only this piece left. Only this. If you be ladies in the house, come and buy for your husband or your boyfriend. Okay. This one, I only have 2 left. Two left. Okay, now only 2 remain for this one. Up and down. This and the trouser. Okay. To the trouser. Okay. This one just now small size, then be this one, sha. I don't not get big one for this one. Okay, now ma small size. Now only this one still remain. How much is it? Which one, ma? Mommy Sheila. Now the real can't be done. I've been a fake one. Because every year, now the real Mommy Sheila be done. I've been a fake one. So this one has small size. Small. Okay, now let this one still remain for this one. Are you talking about this one? I cannot wait to receive my Abio. Thank you. So this one, I'll let this one remain. Now ma will be this one. Okay, medium or large. You see, I'll show on the back. See the back. Okay, how do I have that one? That's this one. Okay, dun. Now my real account. Okay, you are welcome. Ushama, now the black one we I showed us now. So this one, now top. So I thought it was for women. buy for your husband, buy for your Ghana. So it's not top, okay. Buy for your Ghana, Mommy Sheila. Hey yo, okay, maybe we start our topic, guys. Share. So this is a woman. Oh. Buy for your guy. Oh. He go love you more. Abio, he go love you more. Okay, maybe we'll start this music now. Maybe we'll talk about the viral video will go viral. Una good evening, my people. Happy Sunday, people. All right, guys. Happy Sunday, everyone. It's your girl Jennifer Colley TV. Welcome back again to my page. Please, guys, like this video, share this video, also put love and like. Okay, guys, thank you. Oh, so this video, this viral video where they go home for this our lady where they Italy. So say na England, not be England do I beg, okay, not be UK lady, okay, na Italy woman, okay. Her name na this one. The one you are wearing, how much? Okay, I not get her yet, cha. I never get her, but I not see the video. And okay, see the one where they wear so now long one. Okay, you feel wear something for inside with long with tight. Okay, so now longer. So if you want this one, you can let me know. I feel order them for you. Okay, so the video, the one where it did my phone. God, not see her. I say who myself. I not feel be watch her. Good evening, my lovely sister. I greet you, unbreakable. When I give you love and life for this video, put love, like, share. I say, woman, my people, and me, because I hate all those things. I know too much they like her because I feel say, you know, I be woman. How can they sit down, they wash woman something, you know, flicking, man. So I'll just come up there, you know. So when I see the video, I can say, why now? Looking sweet. Thank you. Now I can say, why now? Why some women go to behave like this? And when you come see that woman now, not be young lady you like also, not be young girl, not be young lady. Now old woman, that woman now, if say he picking up with but maybe she for don't carry grand picky. So some say the woman met the guy for Facebook. Facebook is not bad, okay, to meet your man. You see, for this life, you can meet your husband anywhere, whether Facebook, on the road, on the streets, in the train, in the bus, in the flights, Ashawo place. Maybe even sometimes you can meet your husband for Ashawo place. Maybe not dear God destiny that man for you. You don't know. Do you understand? Because this God, he get the way he did. So this woman now Facebook, it take me this Igbo man. You see all these Igbo people. God, I dislike some of them with passion. Mercy, good evening. With passion, yes. So okay, this woman now definitely it dey watch social media all the time. He know or he don't hear. When people to say stop sending your naked picture to man or to men. Stop sending your naked picture to boyfriends, to husbands, to girlfriends. Tomorrow they will betray you because this life is not balanced. The man will say, oh, he love you. If he turn he back against you tomorrow, use that same video, that naked one. Yes, I'll write her name so that she will see learn. So, una remember 1 year, like years back, when pastor himself tell his wife make he send naked video, naked picture or naked whatever, can't give her for Nigeria. Pastor dey Jamie. Pastor he travel go Nigeria. Pastor not feel wait. Pastor say in dey feel honey. He can't send wife, say, wife, send me your naked video, naked whatever. Wife, they come out for bedroom, in naked, they put hand or the boy you wear or Sileladian, or the you wear or Sileladian. He can't record and finish. I watch the video, I cry. Some men, wicked, okay. He do where God want punish pastor. You see, that's why many of seeing all these pastors, some of them hate them. And that's why if I talk to them, I know they look bad or say man of God. Which fucking man of God? Which man of God be that one? That one not be man of God. Where he can't talk say make his wife naked, they do sexy things, can't send her. It's not a man of God. It's not a man of God. Yes, it's not. Do you understand? When God want punish pastor, when God want put shame and disgrace for pastor body, pastor wife go send the naked video. He can't go send and go give church member. Church member can say, oh no man, get over there. Now they can't send those things go viral that time. That time never be enter social media. They do a live video long time ago. This woman, Sister Desuwa, mommy ye, she knows say that they talk and say stop sending your naked video, naked picture to any man, whether na your husband or your wife or una say na oyibo spread, oyibo roti, oyibo yen area. Ebo wey teach una work. Ebo no dey do am o. Una black men can't do these dirty things pass. Black men. Una say na oyibo na teach una work, abi? Oyibo wey teach una job, no even dey do this kind of thing again. Na black men na can roti pass for all these things. Black men go dey call girl. You say, show me your name, show me your this, put your hands, put this, zero boyo, zienjo, yei, zienjo, zien. No. This dirty Igbo man, they control this woman, this Edo woman. As if say, that woman na small pikin. Turn around, turn this, put it here. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh Joe, oh do that, oh, I want to come, baby, oh baby, please. I'm in mood now. My mood is not here anymore. My mood. Hey! This AJ, this woman just fall like a mugu. But just control. You will get 3 children. You see, a life in now, I won't wear a few one. I won't tell you log or look at the legend. When morning time, your money don't finish. If you can't reach evening time, it go be hard to even come maintain your evening. And they tell many people say, if you don't tire for abroad, go back to Nigeria. Africa is good. Africa is a great place. Nigeria is a good place where you have your money. That is why do something back home. In the evening, you go know, say, where you put your back, you go rest your back put. Una say una man die for year. Say, don't do something back home. Those who say don't do something back home, those are the ones who not get 10 by 10 for Africa. You understand? So, and this one don't feel born. You don't feel born. Maybe now one man you born those your children for. I don't know. As far as say this one not can work, why you not come sit down think? Say okay, you not come see husband they gave for this abroad. Why you not come say okay, me I see go back home. Maybe I'll see man for Africa. And not many ladies will go Nigeria. We see man for Niger. They marry young girl. And yes, they are young girl. Young ladies. They never reach 40 that time. They look for better man for year. They not see. They go back to Nigeria. Holiday things like this. Then they take see man. Then they take see man. We be say he can't love them. They can't love each other. They can't marry. They can't marry. Mama, as you can't know, say this money life don't finish for you. You don't see better man for this abroad. Because there are many men where they look for young girls. To say they want to look for a person like you or people like you, your age mates, they not go one stay. All you have to do, you look back home, you do something back home, you go to travel, they come travel. Before you travel this 2 or 3 times, you see better man. You go see better man. You will go Nigeria, go stay Nigeria. If you get house, you go there your house. You will get small car, you get small business where you go to operate. That is a very simple life to live in Africa. You don't need mansion. You don't need this. You don't need 20 houses or cars. You live your life in a very peaceful way. There's an interview where I watched one time. A Ghana lady, he talk and say, she no want boyfriend. She's too busy to have a boyfriend, to keep one boy. She's too busy. It's so all about her is money to make money. But if you want a man like this, you go get, you go pay them, they go sleep with her, they go satisfy her, they go work her. You understand? Why can't some women When it don't collapse for this abroad, you go back home. You go plan second life again for yourself. You did this abroad. Coronavirus, oh, everybody. Movement, go here, party, no. Enjoyment, no. Go pop, no day. Go party, no day. Restaurants, kekeke, no day. Africa, they are still doing party. They waka, they move, they do many things. Why can't you just plan your life? Must you look for a man, say, come on, baby, come on, open here, naked dance. Even the woman said she was not even free now. Toilet, she even go to do that dirty things. She put earpiece for ear so that the people when they get at their house, they not go here. The same Igbo man where he not see good that anafua habi imenya tinya that idiot that useless e-goat. That one you say, hey. You understand? So, even the same Igbo man, I know say, not be only in, you see they stay the house. But Adumadu body, you want blackmail this woman, say, make this woman give you money. You blackmail her, yes. The woman not say money give you, all you have to do, you send your the woman naked picture, go give her children. And you can't forget, say your face also show for the video too. It's very bad. That is why in fact, I dislike many Igbo men. What the Igbo man not go do to you or Igbo woman, they go do it to another tribe. Why? Do you understand? Why? So Igbo men, they are too wicked. The wickedness where they some Igbo men body is too much. Some of them, in fact, majority of them, they are too wicked. Wickedness to their body. Wait till you know, say you cannot do it to your own fellow Igbo woman. You come out, you go do one to a Edo woman. May God punish you. As far as say now woman and you born you. Now woman belle you stay for 9 months. Now woman carry you come out. You will never find peace in your life. I'm not here to throw stone on this woman, but I'm just disappointed for this old woman because it's very sad. I know say you be trust the mass, okay? Me I still trust this one to see say if this one will still work. If now see this woman so she's very beautiful woman. Oh, her black they shine. She have good body. According to say, okay, fine, she don't feel born. Her body still looks sexy. Her body looks sexy. Very pretty woman. Tall. Ebony black. Ebony black. Next meet I go call for yet. Yes, you are right, happy. Don't if your husband travel go Kaduna, he tells you, baby, I'm missing you. Oh, please. Can I do, let's do it together on video call. Don't do it. It don't matter. Don't even try it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Nobody know tomorrow. I'm aware now. She have a good body. Yes. I confess that one. Oh, yes. She's pretty. Yes. She look very calm. Yes. For her face, she look very calm. She look very, like, she was just doing like mumu, like mungu, like that, But it can't be like saying that you wrong person hands. Now you go do all these things to the wrong person hand. But every day they do live video say, don't send your naked. You understand? Exactly. Say very clean in at exactly. Yes. Stop sending your naked picture at. Stop sending your naked picture art. No. Why me? I need the video. You understand? Why? Somebody call. Una the hear words. You understand? Una the hear word. Hello. Good evening, darling. Anyone have you? Yes, ma.
Yeah, you see when you were saying about Igbo men, they cannot do it to Benin woman.
Yes.
I was having a tenant that is an Igbo man. He was having taking one room in my house before. So what did Igbo man tell me? Because of what you said now, Igbo men, they cannot do it to their Igbo women.
Yes.
Igbo man, that Igbo man, when he stayed my house about not up to 2 years, a year plus. And I know how many Benin girls, you know when you rent one room to person like get. I know how many Benin girls, how they use them. And I know what they tell me. If they cook for kitchen, go say, mama, I'll say, why you not the friend your Igbo get? You know what he tell me? He said, time when you go take talk to Igbo get, before Igbo get go follow up. Now Igbo man no. He said that time when you go take talk to one Igbo get, Igbo is and get 20 Benin get. So what am I trying to say? You not go blame Igbo men. Me too, I'm a woman, you are a woman. Waiting this woman too now, before December, you'll see here another one. Maybe you advise our those sisters. Let them know they do them again. Period. Let them know if man just talk of marriage, I don't know whether I only believe like marriage.
Okay. They are desperate. Desperado.
Yes, desperation. I want marry.
Yeah, marry.
Me myself when I see that video, now the woman at the place because me also on my woman I'm not going to am. I'm not going to am. As I tell you, say even in Australia, you say buy ticket, come and see me. You understand? What social media never come. That's not the leave.
Okay.
Now social media they say to their marriage. So maybe advice our Benin sister. This is not like people men. People men not blame them because the Benin women are cheap to get, to convince. Let's call it say they say. The Benin women are too cheap. If not just say them I love you, but they say they never see love before. What
No.
is it? So my own woman tell me, my own experience, I dey talk. My own equal he said the Benin girls, even if they come for work, if you carry them from African shop, they'll carry and follow and go out.
Jesus.
Now what he tell me? He said from house, from African shop, Benin girl will follow and go house. You don't need too much time to say talk to them. Say the people girl, you go use 1 year talk to them. Actually, now what he tell me? This one not be tribalistic. You not to blame men because this one now for camera, you not rape the woman, you not talk and now why the woman do it? When we call it say they say so that our women make them know themselves, make them know their dignity. Because me not the one.
Dignity is very important.
When the woman do it, Jennifer, then they ask that question. Then we forget people now how family. You know it's not going to touch our Benin sisters. Let them know their worth. Man, when love you, not go tell you you open TOT for camera for video. Understand?
Okay, wait, Efia. You say my way love her, you know what to make you open TOT. Okay, what about that pastor? Wait, they Jamie that time we try to go Nigeria. We can't say make your wife open TOT for Grammy. They do amazing.
Now they talk now. Even the pastor get plan. You get what you talk now. Make they watch your video. You say even in our husband, not before you talk.
Yes. Where?
Thank you for that point. So if you ask me pastor home now see the woman will go blame. Because now when you talk now before I tell your number, you say even in our past, even in our husband. Me
Yes.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Me I quick tell na this story. Me I quick tell na this story. One girl come born for one boy. As he born for am, and they come quarrel, she can't leave the guy. As she leave the guy, he can't date another boy again. As she date another boy, just the same thing like this. Okay? The boy de Kaduna, she de Abuja. So, hear this word though, single mothers. Me a quick save una for this part. Who hear, go tell who no hear or share the video. So, here the second boy come there now. You understand? So, she can't get belle again. She come born for this second guy. You know, sometimes she'll see travel, go meet the boy will see travel, come see her, you know. When the boy not come fit see her, they can't talk for video call. The boy can say, open this, open that. Okay? The girl can't open that, the girl can't open that. So the girl no say, this boy, he record her. This boy will record her, so she don't put money for this girl head. Hello? Ew. She don't put money for this girl head. And they come dey quarrel wherever. This second boy, he get the other person number. He can't send the video, can't send her. Go give social person. Where we say, see know the girl, he can't go send her, go give the person. And the other person and this girl, yeah, they're not in a very good mood. That one can go report her to social worker. So he can go report her to social worker. As he report her to social worker, so thank God, God stand for this girl well. So this girl come, you know, she was able to defend herself. He could to say na the man wey marry, okay? No be say na him get different men where they come, they sleep with her for house. Na man wey marry, wey put money for her heads, okay? Na the person wey see born the second pikin for, na him video her. She no even know. Say he video her. No me say she by herself video and go give the boy. No. Na yeah, the boy they do video call, you know, he do all those things. Na the boy take video her. So why are they taught this thing so? This I find the story long. I don't want to put on for here. Now God now he save this girl, okay? So please, if you get a man, whether an husband, boyfriend, fiancé, sugar daddy, fucking mate, fuck and go once in a while, don't do it. Don't ever do it. Don't do it. Life they change. This woman so, Sister Desuwa, she dey watch live video every day. No live video wey be say she no go watch. Why she no see use her head, her brain? If you are desperate of having sex, use your hand take do one. Me no know what they the ekia where some women man die put. If some women see ekia for Ogun, they go lick her, they go quick eat her. Some women, if they see ekia for Isango place, they go eat her. Why some women are, you know, they are too crazy for this dick. They are just too crazy. Without dick, they cannot stay. Without, you know, this cassava, they cannot sleep. Is he a bad spirit? Now, bad spirit, oh, yes. As that woman, so your age, no be in care you for day because your age doesn't go small. Thank God, say for abroad, say you can take care of yourself, you can still look like a young lady, fine. But if you are too desperate, say you just desperate, go to Africa, go and look for man. God forbid. I can't do that. For what? For what? Freak. Where you go do? If you don't come, your body make wow. In fact, if you see the dick again, He not going to be hungry you again because you don't come. According to one woman where I know, she not get boyfriends. She not get husbands. You understand? So, she say if the thing they hungry her, she go put her hand, do. If she don't come, she don't do okay. So, that's a bad spirit. I'm telling you guys. We say, come, I want to come, I want to come. Oh, baby, I want to come. Oh, the. If you see the man, something safe. That can dig safe. It go destroy somebody's womb. Yes, it go just destroy your womb because the thing too big. Oh, wow. Like a plane. You know, say, he play one move, you know? He play one move. Thank you. You know, say, he play one move, eh? I plane they come on for ground like this. Oh, fine. You gotta go up like this. Like this. Now, so the man dig big. B. Very big. Very big and long. Why aita enyenya. Iyo salobua. Enyenya. It go destroy your womb for you. No. You don't need it. Even that woman say, you, woman, where go they do these things to this man so. If you even see that dick safe, you go even run because the dick too big. Yes, it's too big. You know, no say cassava sweet. I better go which cassava sweet. And I can't be cassava. Which cassava? I beg him for cassava. If you not sweet, you not go. It's sweet, but now what you want that put? Now what you want that put? That woman is a scammer on Facebook. Exactly, yeah. The woman fuck up big time, but she live in UK. Not be Italy, not be UK. Oh. Put not be UK, na Italy woman, not be UK. Which guy sweet cassava? It's sweet, Do you want that put? Cassava. If it's sweet, you want that put? No. You no go there put for cassava. You no go there put oh. Okay? Please. Ladies, stop sending your naked picture to me. Whether Edo Mao, Isha Mao, Igbo Mao, stop it. Do you understand? Stop it. May I see?
Open it for me, baby. Oh my God.
You see,
Open it. I want to see the red inside.
Very useless man. Say, open it for me, baby. I want to see the red inside. That Igbo man, you are very useless, my but I'm not saying you will receive your own punishment, sha, because for you to set this woman up, for you to publish this video ads, Adumadu body, your own face, you know, also came out as well. You see? So not be only that woman too, but your own face also came out. You see? So my people, please, married women, married men, sometimes have some, I don't know how someone to put on. Sometimes you have to teach yourself. Say, not be. Show us the video. I can't show it. Okay, I'm not allowed to show it on Facebook. Maybe you want me to block my Facebook. No, I'm not allowed, you know. So please keep yourself. If you like, say you know you dey only. Yes, the woman body fine. Where. The woman, she's a very beautiful woman, as I said earlier on. She's very pretty. Yes. She have a good figure. Yes. Okay. There's no doubt about it. She have a very beautiful figure. But she fuck up for her not to have, you know, in fact, to control herself. You understand? For her not to control herself. For, you know, in fact, she allowed the Igbo dating sticking man to use her to come. To come. I want to come. Yes. Mr. I want to come. You don't come finish. Shebi, you don't rest. I want to come. I want to come. I want to come. Anyway, before I conclude this my video, all the iye we don't take for abroad, all the iye, the lekuluki iye, lukuluku iye, all the iye we be say, go, not let them go, come, not let them come. The only advice we say I get for you guys, all you have to do, go back home. You go see man there. Yes, okay. You go see man for Africa. Okay. You see man for Africa. In fact, go do something back home, get your house, get some more car, get business. There's a man waiting for you. Man, he wait for you there. You go to meet a man there. Sean Baker. Not be say you come to say you no go see man. No, you go see. Okay. Men dey Africa. Many ladies, they go Africa, go they marry. They go Africa, go they marry. If you know say you don't stay for this abroad, you don't see husband and you don't see wife, don't force yourself. If you get documents, they travel to go house all the time. You go see man, you go see woman. There are many. I can count up to 5 people we are know, young ladies we are know, we marry for Africa now. Up to 5. We be say I know. And the marriage they can't be. Okay, the marriage they can't be. Don't kill yourself. Say if you don't see man for years, say nah do or die. No, it's not do or die. Exactly. The man not go see small girls. Now old woman, now the man can say he might go do. And it's very painful. And the woman too now, it just, it just throw a sense. He not see things, say no, waiting she want do so, it not good. She get big children for house. Do you understand? So now dear neither woman take wrong. Sister, not kill yourself. Oh, it don't happen, it don't happen. Emi gari like this. Emi gari where ifo it go see finish. Within 1 month, 2 months, it go finish. It just that now the shame. We be say it can't do your body. Okay, now that one. Not kill yourself. Before you think say it not the apple, say na months na live video presenters they say they talk and say don't stop sharing your naked picture to mail to whatever. You be not believe. Now you don't believe say the thing they real, the thing it they happen. So you not go make the second mistake again of your life. Abi? So take heart. Take heart. Relax. Go drink red wine. Sleep. Calm your brain down. After that, you will not think what to do next. If you want to, look for a man in Nigeria, add the video link. We not know. No, sorry, I mean. The man blackmail the woman, okay? The man asked the woman make it give her money whatsoever. So that money was too big, and the man, that woman not get such money. If that woman get such money, the woman will just go Africa na him. So now the woman, now the man send those pictures go give the woman children. And you meet a man for social media, you and the man never seen. The next thing they introduce your children, go give that man. You see, and it's very bad. So if you get a man, maybe you just met a man or a woman, that quick action is too much. Not just introduce your person, give the man, or your person give the woman. Take your time. Take your time before you say, okay, come my ma, come my pa, come my sister, come my brother. No, take your time. And again, if some women just hear marriage, hey, my phone they ring. It go be like say, hello, my lady, my sweetheart. Baby, no, hello, Jaffa. Hello, how you dey? Good evening. Hello, good evening. I dey hear you. Ade, good evening. How body? Ade like Ade. Okay.
This because I get one statement from one person
person put for here say the woman they live for UK. I beg her come speak her.
Not be UK, na Italy. Guanje.
Thank you so much. Now Italy, now the woman is stay.
Not be UK, na Italy.
Now the man they stay for. Now the man that they say they stay for America.
Okay.
The man shall. Don't they find that the man na Igbo man, and they don't date for 1 year. Now they don't date the relationship will come something like this. So.
1 year.
1 year relationship.
Mm.
Now can't they like this? So many people feel maybe na just Facebook. They say 1 year relationship. That just too so.
How you tell no?
Advise people. They're close to me here now.
Okay. Oh, go the woman guane.
The person at one cannot get close to me.
Man, go guane ya.
The woman, the real number, she just off on the line of here based on the too much of calling, you understand? So just one pipe low for now because the noise is shaking everywhere.
But Mudaneo, my love, you know say this woman, she dey watch social media all the time. Every time I will stop sending your naked picture to men. There are some men, in fact, in my water, to send your naked picture to men. Because tomorrow, they go use that against you. You understand? But why this woman can't do such bad mistake like this?
If I told you this, we should go back to Nigeria. Even the way where the guy take load the whole thing, please say that guy go fit get that man the record the woman. But just as she was so stupid and foolish, you understand? Because there like too much of trust. You understand? When you're in a relationship, even in marriage, don't even trust. You feel just they but they normal, but that trust 100%. You understand? Without that, if the fuck up go get us, you see the way she just did now. Because the very man, because for the man to come get the woman son contact, not be 1 day relationship. You understand? Because this very guy, he sent the video to the woman's son.
Yes, I know. But this woman, so he and the man never seen for face to face. But for the quick action is too much. For her to introduce her children, give this idiot, it's just too much. It's just too much because a man will be saying you never see for face. You understand? So for me, make the woman go Nigeria, make go look for man here. Cause okay, a man or phone.
Why? Person go still carry. Why you think like that?
Carry because you know say when a woman they desperate, they fall into a wrong victim. This woman, she's so desperate to settle down. Now it make her she fall into victim like this. I'm telling you.
Yeah. The guy, you know, see what the guy they told, he say, just do it to me like like a husband and wife. I'm going to marry you.
Yes.
Such things. Say women, some women, maybe say they don't want to use
exactly. Marriage.
You are the mother of my kids. Now I love you. Some women they are so so they are so loose when it comes to marriage. They don't want to be here. You understand? If marriage, man, just tell them say I want to marry you. They still use their life
over carry.
You have to be careful. They'll just get carried away because in the name of
marriage.
In the name of I love you. They will just use all their life to they want to put all their life in that relationship or in that marriage. It's like one thing that I talk on my show about last week ago. A girl that a boy deceived to collect 15,000 euro from her. He said let them plan life together. He collected 15,000 from the girl. After the money, he pushed the girl out.
A desperado, now call all those ones because when a women are too desperate, they fall into a victim. They fall into the wrong, into the wrong hands. So when you are desperate, it's up to you. Be desperate and you receiving this insult, shame, and disgrace all the time. So that is it. Do you understand? Where's AJ? Go. Okay. Okay, go on. Ow. Mema bogi mema di fear ow masho. Because as far as show ow. It's okay. Okay, look later magwa, eh? Yo. You remember one. Yo. Oh, damn it. Oh, magwa later. Okay. All right, love. So, my people. Una make una take a easy, oh. Erita I say, let those have ear. Let them hear. Hear words. Old women make una go house. Wa bo wa here wa me small cash. Wa me small business. O wa rien. Oh, you plan your life very well. We but barrier. Home is home. Home the sweet. Where you plan your life well. Please stop sending your naked. This body where God give you. God give you, say, put on clothes on your body. Use cloth, take cover your body. Okay, ladies, this your body is very important. Ebene, uyawe shakara. You understand? Shakara. You use cloth. Say you go use cloth. Take cover am. Oh, they will call you cover your body because this body then make you to be a woman, to be a proud woman. You go shakara around like this. Shakara. You go shakara. Oh, shakara, eh? You understand? So you go fling your body like this. Wear nice clothes, sexy clothes. It's not about naked yourself on social media. Now will make you say you and you find no. Wear better clothes, sexy, and you dress good. Close your body, cover your body. Okay, cover yourself. Now go make you to be a woman, a proud woman. Don't send your nakedness. Give any bagger. Would that be Mao, Igbo Mao, Yoruba Mao, Esako Mao, Awushi Mao, any tribe at all? Cover your body. Look sexy. This your body now. Let the man way you and him go get a deal house. Then go see your nakedness. Nakedness. We are saying nakedness. I can understand the way that woman they feel right now. Say all our nakedness. The real part where God give and where they that side, they everywhere. It's a shame. Yes. Anyway, ladies, Nana Sabi, we dey here. If you see happen again, we see dey here to see analyze them for una. Take care of yourself. Close yourself. Take care of yourself. Don't send your nakedness. Give any husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, fiancé, anybody you call say if they do that thing. Don't send anything. If they not feel wave, say fuck off. Me they waka, me they go. Say fuck off. You understand, my people? Okay. That is it for now. See you guys tomorrow. I remain your humble girl, Jennifer Collins TV. Bye bye.